This is a USB 3 capture card. Basically, it will record whatever come from HDMI at 1080p 60 frames per second. It's capable of handling up to 4K video, 4K 30 I believe, but the recording capability is up to 1080p 60 fps. Box content HDMI to Type C, HDMI connector, HDMI cable, and the adapter itself. This is the box. I already unboxed it. Let's take a look at the components. This is the adapter itself. Oxlaw, that is how I think it is pronounced. That is what is written in the metal shell. The build quality of this material is very nice. It's like braided cable. It's a USB-C Type C port on the end and HDMI port on the other end. It's a metal piece, single metal piece I believe, and there is air vents for cooling, and the metal shell itself will dissipate heat quickly. And they sent some accessories. Since this is a combo box, so I got an HDMI to micro USB or mini HDMI adapter. I don't know where this is useful, but still, when in some cases it is, but this thing is very useful. This is HD 3 point USB 3.1 Type C 3.1 to normal USB port Type A Type C, sorry, Type A 3.1 type USB port. It's useful if you have a traditional laptop right now, traditional USB port right now, and whenever you upgrade you can continue using this Type C without carrying this adapter. I checked this is also working well, and this is recording at 1080p 60 fps. Also they send us a an HDMI cable. This is a fairly good cable, enough flex to it. You can, it's smooth. It's a very nice cable, I should say. I have a cable with me. It is very difficult to flex. This is flexible, and it looks nice too. That is the combo box of all Oxlaw USB capture device. Is around 1200 rupees in Amazon. You get a bunch of accessories and a cool little portable video capture device. It's only 1080p 60. Today's standards, everyone looking for 4K 60 etc, but for some reason you cannot find many reliable devices that is using USB-C. You need to go for PCIe based solutions. It is not portable, and the portable solutions come with different types of restrictions, like I don't know, but also they are very much expensive. It's more than 15 to 30k, sometimes 50k for a decent capture device. For getting started, I think this is more than enough. 1080p 60 is not a bad resolution. Anyway, I tried to record some few simple clips, and it worked very well with OBS Studio. And I don't know, it will perform the same if you continuously use it for 1 or 2 hours. I'm going to check this device extensively for the next week, and I will put an update video on this channel. So if you are looking to buy this device, please check the updated review video or something like that, because I will put this into different phases and find out how this is going to perform. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. This is Vishnu. Bye.